If you're looking to extend your swim season while keeping energy costs low, this video is for you. Today, we'll break down the top 5 best solar pool heaters available in 2025. We'll begin with the Aukivon 2025 Upgraded Solar Pool Heater, a top choice for both above-ground and in-ground pool. This heater stands out with its curved HDPE panel design that maximizes sunlight capture, resulting in more efficient and consistent heating throughout the day. It comes with adjustable support feet, allowing you to position it for the best angle to the sun, and it includes everything you need for installation: hoses, clamps, and even plumber's tape. Pool owners love how the Aukivon system gradually increases the pool's temperature without consuming electricity or gas. Its build quality also earns praise, with many users noting the durability of the materials and the noticeable difference in water temperature within just a few days. If you're after an eco-friendly, high-performing heater with solid construction, the Aukivon 2025 is hard to beat. Next is the Game 4721-BB Solar Pro Curve Solar Pool Heater, another curved design that's become popular for its gradual yet reliable heating capability. Designed to work well with above-ground and smaller in-ground pools, especially Intex and Bestway models, this heater increases pool temperature by up to 5 degrees Fahrenheit in as little as 4 days for an 8,000-gallon pool. Its compact size and curved shape allow it to absorb solar energy more efficiently than flat panel alternatives. The build is rugged, capable of withstanding wind and rain, making it a great seasonal option for varied climates. Many users highlight how simple it is to install and connect, especially when paired with basic pool pumps. While it may not heat the water instantly, it provides a consistent temperature rise, making it a dependable, low-maintenance solution for weekend swimmers and families. Third on our list is the Kirumie Solar Pool Heater, a model praised for its value, versatility, and eco-conscious design. Suitable for both above-ground and in-ground pools, the Kirumie system is built to harness solar energy efficiently without reliance on gas or electricity. It's simple in design but effective in results. Its flat, modular layout allows for easy expansion. Just connect more panels as needed for larger pools. Installation is straightforward, and the included fittings are compatible with most standard pool pumps. Customers appreciate its ease of use and the energy savings it brings. In sunny regions, users have reported temperature gains of 5 to 10 degrees within a week, all while keeping operating costs at zero. For a cost-effective, scalable option, Kirumie is a smart choice. Moving on, we have the SwimEasy Universal Solar Pool Heater Panel, which is best suited for replacing or upgrading existing solar heating systems. This panel is designed for maximum heat absorption and features universal compatibility with 1.5-inch inner diameter header manifolds. That means it can slot into most setups without needing a full system replacement. The SwimEasy panel is constructed from high-grade polypropylene, offering durability and weather resistance for long-term use. Users particularly appreciate the ease of installation and the improvement in water temperature once older panels are swapped out. It's not a full heating system on its own, but for those looking to upgrade performance without replacing everything, it offers serious efficiency gains. Finally, we have the Kirumie Upgraded Solar Pool Heater, a sleek and eco-conscious model designed for quick and effective heat collection. The Kirumie features a modern curved design that increases its surface exposure to sunlight, allowing for faster heat-up times compared to traditional flat panel. It operates entirely off the grid. No power, no gas, just solar energy, making it one of the most sustainable choices in the category. It's built from durable materials and includes all necessary fittings for a straightforward setup. What users like most is how quickly they notice warmer pool temperatures and the system's low-profile design that blends easily into backyard layouts. If you want an elegant, fast-heating solar option that's as environmentally friendly as it is effective, Kirumie is a strong contender. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the links in the description for full product details and current pricing on all the heaters mentioned.